everyone, welcome to this demo for CarsXE. In this video, I'll walk you through how to get started with our vehicle data APIs. Whether you're building an app, website, or internal tool, CarsXE provides fast, accurate, and affordable access to vehicle data like VIN decoding, license plate lookups, car specs, market value, and more. Let's get started. To begin, go to api.carsxe.com and create an account. You'll be taken to this page. Make sure to add a payment method to use the APIs. And CarsXE also has a 7-day free trial available. After signing in, head to your dashboard where you'll find your API key. So this is the dashboard. If we navigate to Developer, we'll see our API key here. This key is required to authenticate your API requests. Make sure to keep it secure and don't expose it in public code. Once you've added a payment method, your subscription status will be shown as active and you're ready to start using the APIs. Let's make our first API request. I'll demonstrate using the search option in the dashboard, which just requires you to choose the API you want to use and submit into the field, but you can also use Postman, curl, or any other similar tool. Let's start with the specifications endpoint. I'm using this VIN here, which you can find in our documentation. There are also optional attributes, depending on the API. Then hit Submit Query, and you'll receive a full breakdown of the vehicle specs, so things like make, model, etc. Now let's explore a few more useful endpoints. We can navigate to the license plate decoder. And this returns vehicle info based on the license plate number, state, and country. To test, I'll be using this plate, which I also found in our documentation. The state is California, and the country has a 2-letter country code, so the US. And we can hit Submit Query. And we'll see the details here. We can also try out the market value API, which gets the market value of any vehicle. I also found this in the documentation. And if you'd like, you can also hit Show Query, and this will show like the exact query that's used. You can submit the query, and we see that the average trade-in value for this vehicle is $20,500. Finally, we can test out the image API. So all that's required is the make and model. I'll just use the Honda Accord. And then you can also add optional attributes like color, year, and things like that. We submit the query. We'll see like the information of each image. So if we follow this link, we'll get an image of a Honda Accord. Feel free to test these APIs in Postman or your terminal to see the JSON responses. CarsXE APIs can be used for a variety of real-world applications, such as dealership inventory platforms, insurance quote engines, car listing and comparison sites, vehicle history and valuation services, and many more. The APIs are fast, lightweight, and easy to integrate into most tech stacks. For more details, head to the official documentation at api.carsxe.com/docs. There, you'll find the full list of endpoints, parameters, and sample responses, as well as information about countries we support, response formats, and error handling. That wraps up our intro demo for the CarsXE APIs. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to support through the website.